Hi, it's Todd from Todd's Workshop and Todd Cutler here, and today I'm back with Micheal Allison again. So he throws javelin for GB under-20s team. Welcome back, Micheal.
Glad to be back.
Now Micheal has thrown plumb for us, and he's done some fantastic films. That's better. Great. Roman legionaries, of course, are known for that, but they used other things as well. So we are going to look at these today, Plumbata, and I love them. And today we're going to throw these for distance. We're going to try and get a trajectory. We're going to try and get a speed, an energy, momentum out of these things. So some numbers that we can start to mess about with. Why Micheal is really handy for this is I can throw, we can all throw, but I'm rubbish. And I want to see what a really good thrower can do with these things, because they are just awesome. They're awesome in my rubbish hands. So in Micheal's throws, they are just going to be devastating. They are an interesting thing. So what they are, steel shank, barbed head, really nasty. A lead weight, which is where the Plumbata bit comes from. Fletchings, I grasp them like this. You can throw them overhand, you can throw them underhand, you can throw them flat, you can throw them long. They self-stabilise really quickly. They are brilliant. And a Roman author, Vegetius, 4th century, I've been banging on about this book now for a few films. Brilliant. Read it, buy it. He's talking about these things, and he's saying that they outrange javelins. Not the plums here, but the longer range javelins that Romans had. We don't quite know the distance, but we're going to find out how far Micheal can throw these. So, you ready for them?
Yeah, absolutely.
Gently, just throw one down there and give me your first thought on it. Okay, this is going to be good. What do you make of that then?
It's amazing how well it self-corrects itself. You don't really need to worry about how you throw it. It's always going to straighten up.
Yeah. But I mean, also, I've done films before where you just drop them on a lump of meat from this height and they just go straight in up to the lead. You know, they're just amazing things. So, distance, see some trajectories, and then we'll go close on our little chat there. So that first casual throw, Micheal, was about 60 odd metres. And then the grass line there you can see is about 75. So let's see if you can get it into that. So off you go. Afterwards I'll tell you how far I can throw it. Oh! I don't know how far, we'll get a reading on it. I'm going to say about 80, 85, something like that. Brilliant. Okay, so first one, epic, brilliant. Right, let's see if you can improve on that one. Oh, lovely, absolutely brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Right, well let's go get a range on it then. You want to know?
Give us the number.
So that is 88 metres. Now that's pretty respectable, but I'll also say 20 mile an hour headwind, you know.
Yeah, they're very fun to throw, that's what I will say.
Yeah, they are. I love them all this time. But that is an extraordinary weapon. So handheld, never thrown them before, 88 metres into a 20 mile an hour headwind. That's pretty impressive. And you've got 5 of them sitting inside your shield, ready to go, you know, whenever you want. I mean, just a brilliant, brilliant weapon.
Yeah, they're very easy to throw, and you can, I can imagine if I had them in my shield, I could get them off quite quickly, and yeah, they're very easy.
Awesome. So now, I think what we've got to do is we're going to set our barbarian target up, maybe at 10 metres, 15.
I think around about 15.
Yeah, give them time to straighten up, see what they do.
Yeah.
Brilliant, right. Hi, I've interrupted today's film for another Todd Cutler related interesting fact. French rondel dagger, round about 1400, really, really skinny grip, absolutely skinny. But once you're all locked in between the discs, it's secure as you like. Nice fat blade in it, the perfect tin opener. Anyway, you'll find this and loads of other similar pieces on toddcutler.com. And now back to the film. Our barbarian is out there, ready to get hit. So see what you can do. From memory, I've found these a little bit tricky for accuracy, first of all. It's like easy to get them a long way.
Yep.
It's actually quite hard to get them accurate, but
okay,
see what we can do. Oh,
Oh, these are quite hard.
oh, that'll be a nice one. Oh, well, that answered that question though.
I'll throw it harder.
So, it was around here. So, it hit the rim. You can see that little dent.
Yeah.
And it's just there. So it's cut a link. It wasn't quite enough to go through.
I'm gonna have to throw it harder if I want to pierce all the way through.
Was that a little bit of a casual throw? Or?
Yeah, I can ping them a bit more.
Yeah. So the accuracy is kind of they're difficult to get, really. You know, they're brilliant for distance. They are harder at close range.
Yep.
Like that, for accuracy. They're not darts, like in that sense.
No.
Right, let's go again. Brilliant. Oh, lovely.
They're not effective weapons. Oh, it pierced. Okay, maybe they're better than I thought they were.
And it's made a hole straight through it, like a daylight hole.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that...
How thick did you say that?
Well, it's about 1.5 mil, 1.6, so 1/16 of an inch. That's pretty impressive. And the end of that, I mean, that's just fractured off. But, yeah. I mean, that's pretty good. Pretty good. So we'll go again. Oh, well, that answered it. Doesn't go through mail.
Hit him in the arm.
Good throw. So, that has cut one link, snapped another, and gone through the Gamson.
Yeah, stuck in his arm. That would be a bit annoying.
Yeah, but that's the point of them. They are annoying. They go in, they're hard to get out. But yeah, so that is, in that sense, it is arm piercing. It's gone through that mail, it's gone through the padding beneath it, and it's caused the guide, in that case, not very deeply, but it's there. So, go again?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, let's do it. Oh! God, that was good. Loving the noise as well. So one of the things I love about Plumbata is you can throw them one at a time, you can throw them quickly, you can consider it and do it slower and conserve your ammunition, or you can just do this. Love it. Well, it wasn't a very powerful throw, but still, it's gone through. Love them. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. 2 on the shield, and that one coming through. Bit harder, and that would have gone right through on that shank up to the lead. Lovely. And the other thing you can do with these is throw them quickly, and I just love that too. Love it. So here we are, conclusion time. So what did you make of these things?
Well, they can obviously go very far. They seem to just about be able to pierce through some mail, and unexpectedly, that one made it through the shield.
Yeah, I mean, not dangerously through the shield, and probably not dangerously through the mail, but these are really against flesh. So again, the 88 metre distance that you threw is just fantastic. I mean, for harassing troops and soldiers. And that was into, 20 mile an hour headwind, 30 kilometre an hour. They're just so flexible. They really are. You can throw them underhand, you can throw them overhand, you can do them all at once if you want. I don't know if they ever did. And you can throw them really quickly. And why they ever fell out of use, I don't know. And they're also fun. They are really good fun. So, Michael, thank you. Thank you so much once again. And, well, hopefully we'll see you again in the autumn when your competition season's done.
I hope so.
And you lot, thank you again as well. I hope you enjoyed it. Sign up, turn your bell notifications on, visit the websites. Yeah, come on down. But thank you. See you again. Well, that'll be for the outtakes bit then.